Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kashish Shrestha and I'm going to show you my Python project which is hospital management system. It is based on object oriented programming and file handling. Now before starting the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin. In system there are 5 Python files and 4 text files. The 5 Python files are person.py, patient.py, main.py, doctor.py and admin.py, and the 4 text files are patient.txt, main.txt, discharge patient.txt and admin text, admin.txt. Now let's start with person.py. In person.py I have used a class person, and these are all the attributes: first name and surname. And for doctor and patient classes, this inherits this person class. Now let's begin with patient.py. These are all the attributes: first names, surname, age, mobile postcode and illness. Now let's go with doctor.py. These are all same like patient.py, and this is for a view patient. It will show the patient in order. And now let's go with the brain of this code, admin.py. So this is admin class. This is a constructor, and here are the attributes: username, password and address. These are all the getter and setter for username, password and address. And this is view. This will show the list. This is for login. Now let's go with doctor management. This is for doctor management. It will ask for to choose the operation for register, view, update and delete. Now let's go. This is view patient. It will show the data of the patient. This is assign doctor to patient. This will assign doctor to the patient. And this is discharge. It will discharge the patient which you have given the ID. This is view discharge. It will show all the discharge patient. And this is update details. It will update user, password and address. This is for the relocate patient. It will change the patient doctor to another. This management report will show all the number of doctors and patient. Make a list. Now let's go with the execution file. This is this file will execute, and I have used here save data to save the files, load data to load the data, and these are all the codes I have used. Now let's run this code. Now let's run. First I will type my username, which is admin. Then I will type my password. Then this will show main menu. Here it will ask to choose any operation from 1 to 11. Now let's go with one operation first. Now I would like to register. It asks for my first name, so I will give my first name and my surname and my specialty. The doctor has been registered. Now let's view the doctor. Now you can see the doctor has been saved. Now let's go with discharge patient. Now I will type my option 2. Now we can see this all the option to be discharged. Now let's go with yes, and now I will type my patient ID, which is 4. Now do you want to discharge? And I will say yes. Now the patient has been discharged. Now let's view the discharge patient. Let's I would like to skip this. We can see the discharge patient here. Now let's assign the doctor to the patient. I'll type my option 4. I would like to assign my doctor for ID 1. I'll go with 3. The patient has now been assigned. So these are all my code functions. At last, let's go with 10. It will save the data that I have changed here. Now let's see with patient.text. These are all the patient. These are all the doctors data, and these are the discharge patient data, and this is for the admin data. So let's see here. This is start. This will go to the this will display, and it will show login, and you have to enter the correct username and password. If it is correct, then it will return true, and it will log in successfully, and it will show the main menu, and the program will end for the login. And if it does not support the username or password, then it will return false, and it will display incorrect username or password, and you have to try again, or you can just leave it and it will go back to the code. So this is for the login. This is for the first option, which is register, view, update and delete. It first we start the program, and it will show doctor management system. Then we give the option 1, and it will show this is the menu: register, view, update and delete. And we have to give any one of the four of any of these input. For the option 1, it will register, and it will display register first, and it will ask for the input first name, surname and specialty. If the doctor is already exists, then it will display name already exists. If it doesn't, then it will add doctor to the list, and doctor is registered, and the program will end. For view, first you have to give option 2, and it will so the doctor list. This is here. And for update, you have to give option 3. It will show update doctor details, then it will display doctor list, and you have to choose which doctor you have to update there, any 3 of these. And if the ID is valid, then it will first ask for name, surname and specialty. If it doesn't, then it will show doctor not found. If it will then we can see which field to update, that is among update first, update surname and update specialty. And at last we can choose any of these options, and the program will end. Now for the last option, this is for delete doctor. First we have to choose option 4 obviously, and then the program will run, and it will display delete. Then the doctor list will be shown, and you have to enter the doctor ID to be deleted, and it will see if the doctor is already, if the ID is right or wrong. If it is wrong, then it will display enter ID is not found, or if it is found, then the doctor will be deleted, and it will show doctor is deleted. And these are all my flowchart. Now for the test case, I have prepared about 10 test case, and among them 2 are failed test case. Let's go with first test case. This is for a successful user login. It will it will just ask for a username and password, then the program is program will show the main menu. This is for this is passed. This is for registering a doctor. First you have to log in, and then you have to choose option 1 and give all the details of the doctor, and the program will be executed. This is to view the doctor. You have to choose option 1 and 2. This is for update the file. This is a failed operation, which is unsuccessful login. First you have to run the program, then enter a false username, which I have done here is this is false username and this is false password. On and when you run the program, then it will show the incorrect username or password, which is failed test case. This is for discharging of patient. This is to assign doctor to the patient. This is also one of the failed test case here. The first software feature is to update admin password, and when you give a wrong password again, then the program will show the false result. And this is for patient by group, and this is for management report. So these are all my project I have done in my first semester. So thank you for watching till the end. Hope you like it. Goodbye. Have a nice day.